Yeah, I heard his music. It's not really my style, to be honest, but as you see the clicks, I think he has 50 million clicks, so that means that there are a lot of people who like this style of music. But I know that it's like his passion, you know, so he puts a lot of work in that. Yeah, it's David Simon. I think he puts always the music, and he even changed. That's good, you know. He's not only putting reggaeton, he even put some R&B songs. So I think he's a good DJ. I think he's even a better DJ than a comic, you know, because sometimes he tries to make jokes but they're not funny. And I always tell him put the music. Yeah, there's one called Vacaciones. Then there's the one of Shakira on the bicycle. And the third one, Chiki Chiki, I don't know how it's called. It's like a dance where you shake your ass.